Ooh, it's spy time! That's right. Spy hacks are the best for sneaking around and getting the dirt on people. You just better hope they don't get the dirt on you. Thank you so much! Kisses and love for all of my fans! You're the best! That was a good show. And… oh no. There she is! Can we have her autograph? How about a quote? Excuse me. I have to go. Phew. I can't go anywhere without getting mobbed. How am I even gonna get out of here now? Hey. I wonder if these hair extensions could help. I think they'd still recognize me. But there's gotta be something I can do. Maybe if I… wait. What's that? A yellow hoodie? Genius! This will totally work! I'll lay the hoodie out flat and fold the hood like this. Now it's time for the glue gun. Just a single line right here should be enough. Good. Now for the purple fringe. I'll just make sure it's glued down nice and tight. Oh yeah. Time to try it on. Ooh, okay. Not my usual look, but that's the point. I'll just add another detail. Good. The fringe looks like hair. Time to see if this disguise works. Hey, can we get a… oh, you're not her. Phew. Alright. The pasta has drained long enough. Into the pot it all goes. Oh, I'm missing something. Ooh! Look at this yummy cheese and those tomatoes! No. Hands off the cheese, missy. You just walk on out of here. I think I might be able to do something with that. Yoink! You're coming with me, colander. Okay, I've got the colander. And now I need some fresh plants. And by fresh, I mean fake. I'll stick them in the holes. I'll just put them all over the colander. It's looking nice. Done! Okay, the tomatoes have been sliced. Just gotta be nice and quiet, like a plant. There's the cheese. Now's my chance to take it. Now for the strategic retreat. Sneak away! The cheese! The cheese is missing! Where has it gone? Wait, what's that over there? Just a plant, I guess. I gotta find that cheese. Yes! My plant disguise worked! So good. Ooh, this movie looks like it's gonna be great. Ooh, can I have some of your candy? Oh, sure. Here you go. Oh, just one piece of candy, huh? Even though you have a whole bowl? Could I have some more candy? Fine. Here. Oh, don't worry. I'll just help myself. What the heck? I can't believe she just took so much of my candy. There's gotta be some way to stop a mooch. Oh, I think that'll be the perfect solution. I'll, be right back. Okay, I'll just take this plant out of its pot. Good thing it's fake. And because there's 2 pots, I need to do it again. Now I need a bucket for popcorn and a scissors so I can cut out the bottom. Glue gun and hot glue time! I need enough glue to cover most of the bottom. And now to bring back the fake plant so it can be glued down. I'll just put that aside. And now I need the planter again. And that's where I'm gonna put all the candy. And now I'll just put that plant back over the candy. Perfect! You can't see the candy at all. And to just make it look extra realistic, I'll add some dirt. A fake plant and real dirt. Who would have thought? I'm back, and I'm just putting this plant back where it belongs too. Okay, hope I didn't miss anything important. Oh hey! What happened to your candy? Oh, it's all gone. Sorry. I'll just sneakily slide this direction and… sneak a piece of my candy! Perfect! She didn't notice at all! Oh no. Is something the matter? No, I guess it was nothing. Yes! I defeated the mooch! Ugh, what a day. Better make sure I'm drinking my water. Phew, that's enough for now. I'm just so hungry. Water's not cutting it. But I'm supposed to be on a diet. I can't believe that she actually taped off the fridge. She'll definitely yell at me if I get a snack. You know what? I'm doing it anyway. I just have to be nice and sneaky. Wait! My shoes are dirty. She'll totally know I was here. Maybe I can just reach the fridge from here. Just a little farther. Oh, it's no use. There has to be something I can do. Nope. This paddle won't help. What else have I got? Huh. A snorkel mask. No good. A pad? Hey, yes! A pad! That could totally work! Okay, I'll just open it up. I'm gonna need it to still be sticky. And now for the most important step. I'll just stick this right on the bottom of my shoe. Perfect! She'll never see my footprints now. I'm so smart! This is one of the best ideas I've ever had! Time to get me a sneaky snack! Ooh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. You're right! That is hilarious! He'll be here so soon! That's so cute! I'm so happy for you two. Thanks. So, I'm gonna need you to skedaddle. Me? No. I was here first, and I wanna see what happens. Please! He's gonna be here in 10 minutes! Okay, fine. Whatever. You always get your way. She's always bossing me around. Hey, that bear gives me a great idea! You're coming with me, Teddy Tumpkins. I'll have to flip him over so I can see the back of his head. Don't worry, Teddy. This won't hurt, because you're not alive. Now to take out a bunch of his fluff. That should do it. Back over he goes. Next, I'll need the scissors so I can remove his eye. Time for my phone camera! Back over he goes. I need to put the phone in his head. And then I'll add the stuffing back in. With his hood back up, you can't even tell. Alright, let's see how he looks. Just as cute as usual. And you can't even tell he's got a phone camera in his head. I'll just put him right back in place. Hey babe! It's so good to see you! You will not believe the day I've had. Alright. So, tell me more about your day. Well, first off, have you ever been robbed by a bird?
Teddy Tumpkins sees all. Teddy Tumpkins records all of your secrets. Teddy Tumpkins is the best spy in the world!
Yes! It's makeout time! Ahem! You might be interested to see this! Give that to me right now! No way! You want this footage? It's gonna cost you! Well, I guess I have this cash I got back from the bird. Great! Thanks! Here's the footage. Nice doing business with you. Which of these spy hacks do you think was the best? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.